Hi guys, welcome back to Sex, Food and Rock and Roll. I am in a rush. I want something nice to eat, but I don't have a lot of time. So I've lined a little baking dish with some spinach. I'm going to put some pats of butter on top. I'm going to lay some salmon on top of that. Okay, on top of that, I'm going to put more butter. And I'm going to zest some lemon on top. Make sure you get all of that. Cool. Salt. Pepper. Good. Then I'm going to cover that with some foil and stick it in the oven. See it when it's done. Ah, there we are. Perfect. That is just beautiful. I like it rare. And that's exactly how it is.